Hello, how you doing? And welcome to How to Cook Great. If you like what you're seeing, please do subscribe and also leave us a comment. Okay, let's get moving. Hello, how you doing? Look, today we're gonna make this beautiful chicken and potato with smoked paprika. Doesn't take long and it's really delicious. So we're going to start off with our chicken. Now I'm using chicken thighs. I kind of think that's the best kind of meat for me, the kind of darker meat. The skin is on and the bone is in, and I've got 1 kg here, which is about 2.2 pound. We're going to get some salt on top. We're then going to add some black pepper, and then we're going to be fairly generous with our smoked paprika. Now don't confuse regular sweet paprika with smoked paprika. It's a very different thing. There's also hot paprika, which is basically chili powder. So this is smoked paprika. It's really, really lovely. What I'm going to do then is get some really nice quality olive oil that I have here. I'm going to pour some of that over. Then just going to stick a little glove on and give that a little kind of swirl around on this dish, just to kind of cover all sides of the chicken. Okay, next up we're going to go into a pan. There's no need to put any oil in the pan. We've got oil on the chicken, haven't we? So we're going to place the chicken in. We're on an above medium heat. We don't want it too high, but yeah, above medium is about right. I'm going to put the chicken in, and then I'm going to put any balance of the spices and the oil in as well. And we're just going to cook that for around 6 or 7 minutes. I'll be turning them over a few times. Okay, next up I'm going to go in with 1 cup of sliced onion. You can change the color of the onion if you want, no problem. And again, we're going to go just for about another 4 or 5 minutes, just to get the onions to soften down a little bit. If you want, you could put garlic in here. I'm not adding garlic to this, but you could if you wanted to. Now we're going to go with our potatoes. I've peeled these and cut them fairly chunky, as you can see. I've got about 3 or 4 cups in total, but again, eyeball that and put in as many as you want. You might want to, you know, spread this dinner out a little bit more if you've got a big family. I've got some tomato paste here. That's 135 grams, which is one of those small kind of little Tetra Pak things, you know what I mean? Next up, we're going to go with some chicken stock. You can see the amount that I've put in. That's about 1.5 cups in total. So job done really. It's kind of, you know, it's all done now. It's all about just the cooking of it. So what you can do is lower the heat down to now below a medium. We're going to stick a lid on this, and I'm going to let it go for about 12 minutes. So once the potatoes are nice and soft, you can check it for salt if you want. But yeah, it's really, really delicious. You can see it's cooked down really nicely. I'm very, very happy with that. So that's great with some rice or bread if you want something like that. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love.